Hey everybody, Attorney Kyle Kaufman, hkklawoffices.com. Welcome to our channel, and in today's video I am going to talk to you about choosing a family law attorney and what to look for when you're interviewing a family law attorney for your matter. Before I get into that topic, I want to remind you that we make videos here to bring value to you. And we want to hear back from you. If you like what we're doing here, please like our page. If you have some comments, leave those below, and please subscribe to our channel. All right, guys, so I'm a family law attorney in Wisconsin. I've been doing this now for 18 years. And so I've dealt with a lot of things as people have come through our door. And it's important, though, when you are choosing a family law attorney for your matter, that you are asking the right questions or looking for the right things when interviewing an attorney. So I've written down 8 things here that I've brought with me into this video that I want to make sure we get through. So here's the first thing that you should look for. It's experience. And I want to talk about experience here for a second. Oftentimes people think of experience as the number of years, as if the number of years means that you are a more qualified family law attorney than another. And that's not necessarily true. So, for example, an attorney who's only been practicing in family law for 2 years could have many courtroom experiences or negotiated settlement experiences within those 2 years as compared to somebody who has been licensed for 6 years or 16 years, right? So when you're interviewing a person, we're not just talking about experience in number of years, but actual experiences. What are the reference points? What have they actually done for prior clients or cases? That's really what you want to get into, is the real substantive experience of the attorney, okay? Number 2 on my list is reputation. Big one, right? So how can you figure out an attorney's reputation? Well, before the meeting, you will probably ask people around you, if you're open to doing that. Do you know this person? Do you know this attorney? What have you heard about this attorney? That's word of mouth. You can look at online reviews. Google's a great place to go these days. Look at how many 5-star reviews a person has and what those people are saying about the attorney. You can also look up disciplinary records. Type the attorney's name into a Google search and see what comes of that. So reputation is important. You want to make sure that you're choosing a reputable law firm and attorney to represent you. Number 3 on my list, communication skills. How well does the attorney communicate? Number 1, is the attorney actually listening to you? Is the attorney understanding what your legal matter is, what you're trying to say and resolve, and what you need the attorney to do? So you really want to closely determine, did you feel heard in that consultation with the family law attorney? Number 4 on my list is empathy and compassion. How much does this attorney that you're meeting with really truly care about your situation, okay? So family law matters in particular, they're emotionally challenging, right? You're dealing with the most important things of your life. Generally your children, if they're involved, your money, your assets, and your debts. All the things that we every day traditionally worry about. So you want to make sure that that attorney understands your position and cares about your matter and wants a better future for you, okay? Next on my list is strategy and approach. Now this is a lot of times what people are looking for. They've now had a chance to tell their story to this prospective attorney that they might hire, and they want to hear back from the attorney, how will you take your skills, attorney, and apply it to my matter to make it effective, right? What are your ideas and how do you plan to execute on it? So it's important that you figure that out. Number 6 on my list, accessibility. What are the expectations for you in talking to the lawyer? Will you be able to talk to the lawyer over the telephone or through email, or will you be working with the attorney's support team? There's nothing wrong with either approach, but you need to know how you can communicate and be heard and how you will receive information from the attorney or the team. So you want to make sure to get really clear on that at that consultation to understand the attorney's perspective on it and that you agree and are committed to that plan. Number 7, fees and billing. Now, I will have another video that really dives into fees and billing, but you need to understand how you will pay this attorney for the attorney's services. Will you be billed a flat fee, an hourly fee, and when are you billed? When do you pay? What are the payment options? You want to explore that with the attorney that you're talking to. Last on my list, number 8, compatibility. Are you in rapport with this person? Do you feel that at your gut, in your instincts, that this person understands you, gets you, wants you, and is capable of handling your matter? All right? So really an important thing to consider. Those are my 8 points, guys, and I ask you to really think about those. Interview at least 3 attorneys before you choose one. We love family law work, and you can always reach out to us at hkklawoffices.com for a consultation on your family law matter. Thanks.